and welcome to another brand new episode of Bollywood Families. Taking you deeper into the lives of the charismatic families of Bollywood, we're going to satisfy your quest for the Bolly world. And now, it is time for another legendary family to take over our show. And they're none other than the Deols.
The Deols have ruled Bollywood for 2 generations and they kept on expanding their kinship. With Dharmendra at the helm of us, this family has been one action-packed one. Dharmendra was married at a very young age to Prakash Kaur, who gave Bollywood the Badshahs of action, Sunny and Bobby Deol. But the Deol family doesn't stop there. Dharamji then married again, this time to his princess in Sholay, our very own Basanti, Hema Malini, from whom he has 2 adorable daughters, Isha and Ahana. Well, that's a lot of children to keep a track of, hai na Dharamji?
Now let's start with the chief of the family, Dharmendra Singh Deol. Known for his action hero image, this Jat hit it off in Bollywood immediately after setting foot in it. Born in the state of Punjab, Dharamji moved to Mumbai at the peak of his youth, thriving with ambition of becoming an actor in Indian cinema, and bagging a gold in this rat race was a cakewalk for our Punjabi boy. His debut happened with the film Dil Bhi Tera, Hum Bhi Tere, but his ratings began heading the charts only after his smashing hit Phool Aur Patthar, which made him the romantic lad of Hindi cinema. इनके Greek god looks ने सभी को घायल कर दिया था और सभी एक्ट्रेसेस की बस एक ही तमन्ना हुआ करती थी और वो थी इनके साथ काम करने की.
Well, don't just go on his tough looks. This hunk has swept a lot of girls off their feet with his romantic roles in films like Phool Aur Patthar, Bandhani, etc. He sure can transform well from romance to action in his roles when it comes to impressing his fans and winning their hearts.
जो मजनू ने लैला के लिए किया था, रांझा ने हीर के लिए किया था, रोमियो ने जूलियट के लिए किया था.
His on-screen chemistry has melted a lot of hearts and increased his fan following with a full blast. But it was his action hero avatar that got him on the top of the Bolly chart.
एक एक को चुन चुन के मारूंगा, चुन चुन के मारूंगा, गब्बर सिंह!
This action mantra of his went on like forever. But it was Sholay that assured us that this hardcore performer was meant for action films.
कहा जाता है कई एक्ट्रेसेस की धर्म पाजी पर नजर थी, but all were very disappointed to learn of his marriage. He was married at the age of 19 when he was still in the village and had 2 sons, Sunny and Bobby Deol, and also 2 daughters, Ajita and Vijita. Now the junior Deols entered Bollywood having taken all the lessons from Papa Deol. Doing pretty well as performers, the dynamic Deols soon won a lot of hearts themselves in Bolly town, and till today, the Deols are considered to be synonymous to action heroes.
From on-screen action stunts, which took Dharmendra straight into people's hearts, to having lots of action in his personal life, Dharmendra had it all.
कोई हसीना जब रूठ जाती है तो और भी हसीन हो जाती है. स्टेशन से गाड़ी जब छूट जाती है तो 1 2 3 हो जाती है.
He doesn't like to upset his leading ladies, and despite his wife Prakash Kaur, he had a secret affair with Meena Kumari, who shared the screen with him in Phool Aur Patthar. It's pretty clear who played Phool and who played Patthar in his real life. But this affair didn't lessen his love for the baby boys Sunny and Bobby, who were well pampered by Dharam Papaji, to whom he imparted all his Bolly wisdom. Already preparing them for the tough ride of Bollywood, Dharamji launched Bobby as a child artist in the film Dharamveer.
Hema Malini, with her South Indian accent, captured Dharampaji's heart, and rest, they say, is history. After working together in several films, both started bonding, and there was much more than just a platonic friendship between them. Apparently, one wife was just not enough for this action boy. Sholay not only increased their fan following infinitely, but also gave their affair a new lease of life. Romance started brewing between Viru and Basanti, not only in real life, but also in real life. Their on-screen chemistry was so perfect that the entire nation wanted them to be together. But unfortunately, that wasn't possible as Dharampaji was already married. But Viru had to win his Basanti, and he proved that nothing is impossible. Converting to Islam, Dharamji married Hema, but Prakash Kaur refused to divorce her husband, leaving Dharamji with not one but two wives.
Well, he may have had an affair with his first leading lady, but this time he was going to make his leading lady of Sholay the queen of his kingdom. Hema Malini too had her Bollywood affairs. At one point of time, she had almost married actor Jitendra, and Sanjeev Kumar had also proposed to the actress. However, she was too involved with the much-married Dharmendra, and she refused all the advances made by them. Yes, Hema Malini was now going to become Mrs. Hema Dharmendra Singh. This heroine had surely melted this macho man's heart and won him over with her nut-cut adai. Well, it was not only the two lovebirds who wanted to bond in holy matrimony, but the entire nation wanted this phenomenal event to take place. And thus, this epic love affair was transformed into the beautiful union of marriage.
And with the beautiful bond of Viru and Basanti came two gorgeous dolls, Isha and Ahana. Soon after their marriage, Hemaji gave birth to Isha, who made a decent name for herself in Bollywood, while Ahana has kept a low profile, appearing on special occasions with sister and mother. वो अलग बात है कि Ahana अब डिजाइनिंग में कुछ करना चाह रही है. Well, Daddy Dearest is not the only one who has passed on his acting genes to his offsprings, but Hema also has given her graceful gift of classical dancing to her darling daughters. Well, be it the Jat boys or Jat girls, all are loved equally in the Deol dueling.
Hemaji not only showered her love on Viru, but also gave him a priceless present in the form of two daughters. Dharamji is surely a rich man when it comes to children. Two macho sons from his first marriage and two equally pretty daughters from Hema Malini. What else could a man want? The boys were being trained by Papaji for their action moves, while the girls received dance lessons from Mammiji. Must say, Dharamji Shaw has a bunch of talented children.
Despite their differences, the Deols still live under one roof. Prakash Kaur, who was always kept in the shadows by her beloved spouse, only came in limelight after she refused to grant divorce to her childhood sweetheart. और हेमा मालिनी से शादी की वजह से प्रकाश से धर्मजी का रिश्ता कम नहीं हुआ था. Now the Deols, that is Sunny, Bobby, Dharmendra and Mummy Prakash, still reside in the same residence they used to before Dharamji married Hema. Also, the half-brothers and the half-sisters get along pretty well, not seeing any problem with having different mothers, but sharing the same father. यही नहीं, धर्मजी अगर कुछ टाइम प्रकाश और बच्चों के साथ बिताते हैं, तो कुछ टाइम ईशा और आहाना को भी देते हैं.
Dharmendra Singh Deol may not have been fair to his first wife, yet Prakash Kaur did not give up on her man. Dharamji has huge respect and admiration for his first wife and manages to make up at every opportunity he gets, and showers all the love and attention on the entire family.
When Sunny Deol was going to be launched, there were a lot of expectations. अब एक स्टार सन होने के नाते इतना हाइप तो बनता ही था. His launching pad was the film Betab with Amrita Singh, a Bollywood version of the film Taming of the Shrew. Rahul Ravel's Betab opened to packed theatres in August 1983. Sunny's fresh looks and meaningful side glances successfully tamed the audience in accepting him as a hero. Unlike most heroes, the fact that he was already married did not affect the success of this romantic film.